Nowadays, you can use social media to reach the whole world. And today I will show you how you can use it strategically to reach your goals. But before that, I wanted to say that if I didn't work on my personal brand and on building my social media presence, I wouldn't be here. And social media helps me to earn more, build my business, and you can do it too. So my name is Ilze, nice to meet you, and I am a founder and CEO of social media agency Not Scheduled. We help people to use social media so you would love it and you would show your business online in an enticing way so people would buy from you. And today I will show you 3 lessons, 3 things to consider, and 3 takeaways with one small task. So stay tuned. Any social media platform can be yours. And I wanted to show you an example of a Polish photographer. So he uses both Instagram and Twitter to post his beautiful photos. And what I see that a lot of people, when they start, let's say, their creative journey, they post on Facebook and Instagram, and then they are like, oh, but I should be also on TikTok. Yes, you can be everywhere. You can also choose LinkedIn. Think which platform you like the most, where is your customer, and also what kind of skills do you have. Either it's written format, or you prefer photos, or you like videos, and then you can see which social media platform is yours. You are the best salesperson because you created this idea, so you can tell about this idea yourself the best. And I wanted to show you an example of not a creative person, but he is a guy who is showing his business of cleaning services, and he chose TikTok because it doesn't require the best quality of the videos, and he's driving to work and just filming himself and showing the process, and people love what he's doing. So you not always need to be in the best scenario, the best edits to actually get people interested even in such a maybe a usual thing as cleaning. And people follow people, so maybe you have heard about it that always people prefer personal accounts, and you can see who you are following. I presume there will be more people than company accounts. And here is an example that the CEO of Stan Store, that is e-commerce platform for creatives, he has almost 3 times more followers than the business account. And no matter what they will do, the personal brand will always be stronger. And I want that you think, do you want to tell the story yourself, or you want other people to talk about you? And the thing is that for other people to talk about you, they first need to know you. And this is this kind of the tricky part, the egg and the chicken problem. You need to start, and then people will talk about you. And when you start, you can choose how you set the narrative, what is your story, what do you want to show, and then later if people start loving you, and they will, because if you will post on social, that happens, then you will allow them to tell the story also about you. And a lot of times I hear from people, but I didn't want to post on social media. I just want to be creative. I want to create the things and paint and whatnot. Yes, but what if you treated social media as part of your job? Because if you want to be creative, you want to have clients, how will they find you? Include it in your schedule that you also need to post and show what you're doing. It will be easier for your brain to start accepting it as a part of what you're doing. When somebody is telling me that, oh my God, I'm afraid to post, think, what's the worst that can happen? And when you accept it, that either your mom will not like it or you will have a bad comment, when you accept it and you're like, okay, I will have this bad comment, what else can happen? What is the next worst thing? You will calm down and you will be more ready to post. And I want that when people use social media and they want to get this love and they want the hearts and the likes and comments, that you also give this love to others, because social media is about being social. And this is the way how you can, by posting for your own content, also get to know other people, DM them, say that, oh my God, I like what you're doing, and you will get the supporters for your own posts, that they will engage with your content. And social media can help you reach the goals quicker, because you don't only have this one-to-one relationship, you're actually talking to one-to-many, because you can reach a lot of people. And even if you have little statistics and you have 500 people or impressions, imagine how much 500 people look in one place. It's impressive. So even if you have small statistics, please think that, oh my God, otherwise to get 500 people, you would have to, rent a place and ask them to come and spend actually a lot of money. Social media is free. And evaluate your resources, because a lot of times people want to do everything at once. Think what you're good at, put the plan so that you don't burn out and you can actually do it. If you have an hour that you can spend per week on social media, think what is the best return on investment that you could reach by using social media. And I wanted to give you a small exercise that you think what could be the content for your next week. What will you post? Where will you post it? And what's the goal and message for each post? And I wanted to show you my example. So this is my Instagram account. I know that my main goal is brand awareness. Sales happen for me on LinkedIn. There is my client. But if I attend an event and somebody tags me in a story, I want that they later land on my Instagram and they see, oh, this girl is doing something very interesting with social media. And I have 4 topics that I want to talk about, the content pillars. It's social media strategy, content creation experience, because it makes me authentic. My experience is my experience. You can also share your experience, because that will be this authenticity about yourself. And I'm talking also about LinkedIn. And you can see that I have listed my ideas, because I work on them, that I have an idea, then later I have a draft, and then I record a video. So I don't do everything in one day, because I know that it ruins my process, and I have seen also for other people, because we are trying to push ourselves to do everything at this one go. When we sit down, we need to do it. And we are squeezing this idea, and then we hate this whole process of creating social media. But if you consider that you take it as a process, as anything else in your work, then you can have those stages. And I also cannot do one post per day, or I can, but it always feels a little bit fake. So I would suggest that you create this process, that you have a bit more time to think, because after those 24 hours that you have this, you sleep with this idea, it will be just better. And I split my posts in different stages. So the top of the funnel is something that you want that to inspire a person, to engage them. It could be a pretty picture, or you tell them your personal story. People love that kind of stuff on social media, that you show what you're doing. It's the top of the funnel, and most of the time you will get the biggest amount of likes and love for such posts. Middle of the funnel is to educate. So maybe you can show how much time it takes for you to create it. How are you making the photos? Why it's different than everyone else? Explain, because people don't know, they don't appreciate, and they need this education from you. And then there are the sales posts you can use them on stories, that you actually say, I have a discount, or I have this special offer. A lot of times creatives just forget about it, but it's very, very important that you tell people what you're selling. And as the summary, I wanted to repeat the main lessons, that any social media can be your platform. So try, test, experiment, see what works, what you like. Give yourself this time for experiments. as with your business, you are the best salesperson, so I hope you will put yourself in the front of the camera or in the photos so people follow you as a person, because that's how you get the trust from them, and that they want your thing, even if it's 10 times more expensive than something that they can buy from China. Treat social media as part of your job. Give the love so you get the love back. Evaluate the resources so you don't burn out and you have the best plan for yourself, and you will get the results quicker. So I hope to see you on social media. And if you have any question or need, you can just text me. Of course, where? On social media. I'm almost everywhere. So yeah, see you around. Thank you.